and I'm back with another video.
Okay.
You ready, Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
today, we decided we just want to make some slime. And we wanted to try the clear slime, if it works. So, let me see, got a little slime kit here. Hopefully,
Mom.
this is clear glue.
Mom.
And hopefully it works.
Cause we gotta dig our hand and sand the ball and then we're gonna squish it together so it'll come out over our hands.
Alright, so let's get it started. So we got some clear glue.
Yeah, boy.
And we're gonna see if this works.
Mom.
Wait, this has a something. How do you get this out?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know.
You know?
Oh, it's coming out. Wait. Pretty smart. Yes! Can y'all see Todd? Oh yeah. Todd is sitting here eating her little
Cookie
star fruit thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna do half.
Ew. Oh, it's not you. Oh, not loose one. It's coming like a bunker. What is she doing YouTube? She, although who screamed like a phone roof.
What is that? Alright, so we got it's heavy. So we got some clear Tide this time. So clear glue, clear Tide. Let's see if we can make clear slime.
Yeah, let's do it. Come on.
Let's see.
Who's gonna slime?
You think it's gonna come together?
Yeah, I hope so.
Oh my goodness. It looked like it's coming together already. That was pretty quick. Claudia, don't get up.
Can I get my red slime?
Huh?
I want my red slime.
What red slime?
In back.
This?
Well, give me
That was the glitter slime.
Oh,
Okay.
my bad.
What I'm gonna do with these kids. Alright, so this looked like it done came together. I might have put too much soap. As you can see. Oh, look. Look at that. Oh my God.
Ew.
It's clear though. It's slime. Look. Can y'all see that?
Hey, Mommy, you put too much.
I probably put too much. Ooh.
Yeah, you put too much.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. Can't stir too hard yet.
And she,
No, now.
my mama, weighed something. Slime.
It's gonna be white. I think we're gonna have to let it sit after for a while so that it can become back clear.
Mommy, you don't let it dry. Ew, you got all over your hand.
I know.
You gotta wash your hands. But you don't want it to stick together.
It's
right?
sticky. I gotta put some more detergent in here. Yeah. Oh, look like a ghost. A ghost for Halloween.
Yeah, Mommy, can you make glow up in the dark so it can be Halloween, so it can be spooky?
Okay.
Mommy, cause it's gonna glow up in the dark, and then we can make trick or treating, and then we can put.
I think I done messed up. I'm just. Alright. Let's put a little bit more.
Yes, so it can get all over your hands.
Yeah, so it can stay off of my hands.
Yeah, so it can be.
It's like it done turned like so white, but I think it's gonna. If we let it sit for a while, it might clear back up.
And then, Mommy, you gotta let it dry out first.
Okay.
Need more.
Tadra, you eating? You eating your stars?
And this little toddler, bad.
Tell me about it. Alright. I just added some more Tide in it, so as you can see, it just
Thinking
coming together. Yeah, it's just a little. I gotta bring it together. We gotta bring it together.
And Mommy, let it dry out
What you
first.
doing?
Clean there.
You can't be playing with her stuff. She eating it.
She's a baby.
Saying, we living in a world that's so
fire. Past the feet, or she can fly away. Ah! She got her feet on the ground, and then she's burning it down. Oh, 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 oh. She got both feet on the ground. She burning it down. Oh, girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
She's walking on fire. Keep going. This
Girl is on fire.
Alright. So, I'm scared to touch with the other hand. It's still,
Now you scared?
it's slide, but it's white. Look, it's so white, it got to turn back clear. So the whole thing is to see
Like I could
if it's going to turn clear. I might have to let it sit for like a day or two for it to turn back clear.
Yeah.
It got to sit, because I think they did that.
Yeah, I'm good.
So,
She's a little girl.
I made some slime, and it's white, but I want it to be clear,
Yeah,
so I might have to let it sit
for a little bit.
for maybe a little bit, to sit for a while. Kataja, what's the problem? What's the matter? Sing, Taja. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Like a
This
ghost.
is so pretty.
Yeah. Can I touch it?
Don't put chips on it now.
That's in my hand like chip.
Oh.
This got
Sing. This
girl is on
fire. All right, let me sing y'all a song right quick. Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah.
I'm still recovering now from my hoarse voice, so don't judge me. What song I'm gonna sing?
Man, Mommy, you.
Okay, I'm gonna sing Colorblind.
B-I-N-G-O.
When the world is
B, Mommy, B-I-N-G-O.
What happened?
B-I-N-G-O.
Really? B-I-N-G-O. Really? Alright, I'm gonna sing Colorblind first, okay? Just listen. When the world... You don't even know the song. So let me sing, please. Okay. When the world is yellow, I only see gray. When everybody sees the rainbow, I'm stuck in the rain. You take a little piece of me every time you leave. I don't think that I'll ever find that silver platter or reason to smile. You know I used to pay such... I don't know how to hit no high note, so don't judge me. Vibrant dreams, now I'm colorblind. When did my Oh, get so full of the never mind, and you know that you stole the only thing I needed. Yes, go sing it, Taja. All this black and white in my eyes,
Excuse me?
all this black and white
Listen to my wife.
in my eyes, I need to get my real voice back. Like, I can't hit the notes that I want to come out. I can't hit the notes that I really want to hit because my voice haven't fully recovered from it being hoarse. And my voice I got my talking voice back. It's been about 2 weeks now. Since Kataja's birthday, that's been about almost a month. Wait, it's been a month. It's been a month since my voice went hoarse. For Kataja's birthday, September 27th. On September 27th, Kataja's birthday party, my voice was so hoarse. If y'all watch, well, I don't think I put it up yet, but if y'all watch Kataja's birthday vlog, my voice was like about gone. And so it's taken my voice time, I guess, to heal. Maybe because I haven't been drinking any honey and nothing like that, but the doctor told me to drink honey. I just don't even like the taste of it, really. But I guess I really need to get into this honey because that's what's going to fully get my vocal cords back and on track. But I can't hit I can't hit high notes, period. But I know certain notes that I can hit. I just can't do it right now because my voice is not fully recovered. But so I guess I gotta just start like drinking honey and tea and stuff like that to get my voice back like it used to be. Because I love singing, even though I can't hit the good high notes and some notes, and I might be off key. And guess what? I don't care. Look, Taja.
He's scared.
Yeah. So okay. So we made white slime clearly, but it's supposed to be clear. It's gonna turn back clear. I think I have to let it sit for like a couple days.
And then consider it 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Like a gooey slime. Where's going?
Scratch it. Is your hands clean? Cause I don't want to get no Cheetos in the slime before it can turn clear.
Clean?
Yeah, wash your hands off.
Okay. My cat. Mommy, my hair.
Okay. Yeah, you can play with this one for right now. We made some blue puffy slime. This was the blue puffy slime that we made previously.
Mommy's gonna get sticky. Mommy, it's gonna get sticky.
It ain't sticky.
Like a Sita. Like a Sita.
Man, you would just bust out with that.
Mommy,
You
let's
did
see.
it. You finna play with this? That just ripped. Slime! Here, Roger. Yeah, here. Make sure this clean right here. Here. You can play with that. Remove this back a little bit.
Mommy, you gonna play with the other one? Well, you can share with mine, Mommy.
Yeah.
But not right.
Taja, you want to play with some? Do you want to play with some? You can't play with this one, 'cause I think I gotta add some more ties to this.
Yes.
This is orange puffy slime as well, but this one seems like it be getting sticky sometimes.
Oh no, I missed.
This one real puffy.
No, Mommy, I missed it.
Hurry up! Don't let it sit too long.
Whoa. Mommy. Mom, I know how to do a bubble.
Let's see. Oh, you was close.
Yes, I know.
You was close.
Yes, I was super for clothes. And then she didn't eat her cookies yet. Ooh. You gotta do this.
How you do the bubble? Oh, she said grab it from the opposite way.
And then.
Wait,
And then you gotta do.
We doing it the wrong way.
Wait, you gotta.
Karate, don't let it get on the chair now.
Mommy, you gotta let it do this. Mommy, you gotta let it do this, and then
Okay,
we
so
dry out.
let it flatten.
Gotta put it here.
Cancel the decorator. We don't need no help.
Mommy, look at it.
Colors. Don't let it go off the table.
Mommy.
We'll clean up the mess later. We do it so well. Dang. Oh.
You. Ooh.
Cancel the decorator. We don't need no help. We'll pick out the colors. We'll clean up the mess later. We do it so well.
Wait.
Yes, smooth it out.
Yes, I know. Mom? So you're gonna make it like a bubble.
Man, I don't know how to do no bubble. How them kids be doing bubbles?
No, wait. You got
They
it.
go like this. Then they just grab it.
Yeah.
And then flip it. And see? No bubble.
Wait.
Karaji, you got the slime leaning off the table.
Nope.
Y'all see, y'all lost the other slime. I could have let Karaji play with the slime.
Yeah, you shouldn't do that.
You want to play with slime? Is you done with your snacks?
Yeah. Gotta get those snackies. Ew, what the? Mom? She crazy.
Alright.
Mommy. Let me make your own slime.
Right.
Make your own slime, Mom. You can make your own
yeah.
slime. Mommy, make it.
Alright, let's sing the song. What the song y'all like in the morning?
Mom, I like Raven's Home. I like Nia.
I don't know that song. I'm talking about, oh, y'all like to sing the offering song for church.
Yes, I know.
I just
wanna praise you, Mommy, forever. Mommy, my hand. Endeavor for all you've done. Mommy, this is how you make
for me. Blessings
Blessings and glory and honor and all belongs to you.
Thank you, Jesus.
Jesus.
Oh, you go, Taja. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, you go, girl. For blessing me. Y'all hear my baby singing? Okay. Taja said me. You heard her?
Oh,
So
Mom, she talking?
cute. I guess so, because she was just singing.
I know.
Singing. Thank you, Jesus.
Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for blessing me.
You ready to go, Lord?
She was singing it.
Yeah, go, girl. Yeah. You sang it. You messed up.
I know.
No.
Here, let me show them how this white slime look up close.
Wait. Hey. You scratching my slime now?
Okay. Now, I want y'all to see how this slime look. Right now, it is white.
Mommy, my hand.
Is it focused? It's white. And but I want to let it sit for a while.
Where's all my hand?
I'm gonna let it sit for a while so it can become
Mommy,
clear
my
again.
hand.
Wait, let me get this.
Mommy, my hand.
Okay, well keep hitting your hands in the slime. Don't let it fall off the table, Raji. Get it off from off the table. Wait, don't let it fall off. Quick. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all. It's so white right now. See that? So I want it to be clear.
Stop
Like,
moving the table.
I want it to turn back clear.
Lala, Umi is moving.
Alright, so this concludes our slime video today. I'm not gonna upload this video until this turns clear, okay? So I can add that at the end of this vlog.
Mommy,
But yeah, so that
Mommy,
concludes
look
our video today. Oh, look at
Oh, look like a ghost.
it's a ghost. Oh, Halloween is coming. Yeah. Hopefully this turn clear before Halloween.
Yeah.
So I can upload this video.
Yes. Mommy, do the table. Just
I'm gonna let
the
Taja
table.
play with it right quick. Here, Mama.
Play with it. You can play with it if you want.
Roger, you putting glue on it. No, I can't put glue on it. Alright. Everybody say, see you later. See you later. See you later, you too.
Cry is a bobo.
See you later. Later.
See you later, you two.
We will catch y'all in the next video. In the next video. Okay, Tasha, girl, you thought to play with that side.
No, you gotta just add it for a little bit.
All right, y'all. So we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube. And hit that like button. Bye, YouTube.
Oh yeah, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that like button, please. Subscribe. Comment down below. Let us know what y'all want us to do.
You want me to
Oh no! Taja, she got her cereal in the white slime. Oh no. You gonna mess it up for us. Taja, you will put your food in the slime now.
Mom, she wanna put food in her slime. That's ugly.
Alright, y'all, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Hit that like button. Like, share this video, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
And I'm making a ghost slime.
Peace. Say bye.
Bye, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? Okay, so y'all won't believe how long it's been. It's been 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks. Okay, so let me tell y'all. This is the clear slime, but it's not clear. I'm gonna tell you what happened. So remember we was playing with the orange slime. It was orange and blue slime. Well, I was playing with the orange slime. And when I did the clear slime, I was, mixing and everything. I think the food coloring from the orange slime was on my hands. So instead of us having pure clear slime, we have clear slime with an orange tint to it.
And Kataja put her cereal in there.
And then Taja did have her put some cereal in. I had to take the little cereal things out, but I don't know if that what affected it or anything. But I'm gonna show y'all the close up of how it looks. It's like a clear, but it's tinted orange. So I'm gonna show y'all. Wait, Raji, you had to take your hand. I'm gonna show them first. Okay, so let's see. Hold Tadara. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Look at this. You see, it's like a. Can y'all see? It's like it's clear, as you can see, but it's like orange. It's like it's tinted orange. Tadra, get down. But yeah, so this is how it came out. So it's kind of like a fail because it's not clear, but it's orange. So we're gonna let them play with it and let them see, let y'all see how it is. As y'all can see.
I'm playing with it.
Wait, let me take it out. I'm gonna borrow it. This is how it looks. It's clear, but it's wait, let me let them see. You see, it's clear, but it's got a tint to it. It's orange. So we're gonna redo the video soon and try to do like a really, really clear one. But as you can see, it's clear, but it's it has a tint to it. So here, let me split it.
Not for me.
Yeah.
Well, for me, I'm gonna stick on my hand.
Just darling.
Mommy,
But that's nice. Now you can see it's actually clear. I can see y'all through this, but it's not clear as I wanted it to be.
Sticky.
Here. Right, don't make a mess. You know you gotta play with it fast. Go like this, Raji. Yeah, so it won't stick to your hands.
If y'all can see that it's sticky, y'all can do a neck clip. Y'all can do a neck clip like me. That after y'all can see like a
Taja, let it go. Taja, wait. Let it, girl, open your hands.
This little hard-headed Taja baby, she is the next.
Man, girl, you move too fast. Stop. Here, play with this. She probably like, what? I need some slime. Ain't no slime in there, mama.
She said,
Ain't no slime, Roger. Don't make a mess.
on me.
Well, roll it. Go like this. Roll it so it can come on.
If y'all,
Now, don't make a mess, Raji. Sit, mommy.
if y'all can see that it's sticky, cup it in the blow.
Speak English. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
2.
I said, how old are you?
4. As y'all can see, I'm 4.
Well, you better start talking like you fool. Stop speaking gibberish sometimes.
Jewelry.
Look, Taj. I'm going to show y'all this.
No,
Wait, I'm gonna show. Don't get it on your hands no more. Don't let it sit in your hands. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do it at the same time. Ready, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That's going to probably be our what you call it.
A pirate. A secret. A pirate.
That's going to be the thumbnail. Let's do another thumbnail. Y'all ready? 1,
It's gonna
2. Yeah, scratching his mouth. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I see it, mommy.
But y'all can see that.
It's tinted orange. So we're going to do it over. Okay, look. Wait. Look.
Wait, hold up.
Wait, Taj. Let me show you. Do this. Look.
If y'all can see that's glittery.
I'm gonna bring y'all up for a little closer. Hold on.
Got my mashed potato.
Let's bring y'all up for a closer. Wow. Let's see Raji do it. Do like this. Now, let me see. And pull it up.
Wow. No. Mommy, look.
Taja.
Mommy, I make a bubble. That was a hard bubble. I just make a bubble. I just make this. Mommy, can we make...
Do it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Wait, let me see. Look.
Now we're gonna make a bubble first. Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Oh, okay. All right, y'all. So that was the clear slime, and we gotta redo it because it was tinted orange, but it still was like clear. You seen it? But I'm gonna close out. So if you like this video, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, like, leave comments down below, and let us know what y'all want us to do next.
And hit that subscribe button on the floor.
You're not speaking English again. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button,
And
comment down below.
comment down below. If you want to see this video, comment down below. Mommy,
Alright, so we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace!
I'm gonna get it up.